Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best Toca Boca codes working right now in 2026. This is going to allow you to unlock everything in Toca Boca World. And this, like I said, uses a simple code. It's going to save you a bunch of money because this is going to get you all houses, packs, furniture, everything unlocked, guys. And yeah, the in-app purchases, the packs are pretty expensive. They add up if you was to purchase all the houses and packs. I'm going to be showing you how to get all unlocked in Toca Boca World using a working code right now in 2026. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I am going to be making more updated codes as and when they're needed. So let's get into the video, guys. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. Now, it doesn't matter if you play on your PC or mobile. I recommend you just grab your code off your mobile phone and then enter it wherever you are. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, guys. And Cold Coupons is a coupon codes website. Now, they specialize mostly in game codes. And what you're going to want to do is just press the search bar at the top of the screen. And what you're looking for is the Toca Boca codes page. Here we go, guys. Now, these are secret codes, and this website, Cold Coupons, supply these codes to us. You can get codes to unlock all packs in Toca Boca or Toca Life World. You can get all furniture, all places, and all houses. So this is basically going to unlock everything, guys. I'm going to select the all packs code. This is going to get all packs for free in Toca Life World. And guys, this is the easiest method because it is a simple code that you can redeem in your game. Absolutely awesome, guys. So these are working right now in 2026. Now, you need to unlock your Toca Boca code. This is because these are pretty desirable considering these get you all packs. So you need to unlock your code, and these are limited. So what you're going to want to do is just click on get full code, and you're going to see this code unlocker. Long story short, guys, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. And once you complete 2 of these tasks, it will unlock your Toca Boca code. You can see these are all completely free, and they're really easy things like playing mobile games and installing applications. There is even free surveys. You simply tap on them and follow through the steps. So this one is a survey. Pretty easy, guys. You just need to make sure you do read the text because that tells you how to complete the tasks. Once you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Toca Boca code will be fully unlocked and revealed, and you redeem it in game. And that is going to, in this case, get all packs. But yeah, you can get houses, furniture, and unlock all places as well. So go to Cold Coupons and navigate your way to the Toca Boca codes page or Toca Life World, and yeah, select which code you want. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.